Starting from the driver's side, on the door panel we have the side mirror adjustment controller, electric windows for all the doors, lock and unlock button is there. Inside we have the button for the automatic headlamps at the front and the power steering with multimedia options on it. Cruise control option with the speed limiter is available in the car. And this car comes with the LCD installed in which the sat nav is working, and we have the reverse camera and parking sensors working perfectly. The heating and cooling system for this car is working perfectly as well. We have dual climate control option for the passenger side, for the driver side as well. Heated seat option for the driver and for the passenger. We have the 4 modes to drive this car, including the Eco, Sport, Individual and Normal mode. These are the media controllers for the screen, and 2 cup holders are there in the center. A console box is there as well. The total mileage for this car is around 76,000 miles, and we have the height adjustment controller for the driver seat as well. At the back seat we have 3 head restraints with good leg space for the back passengers, and 2 cup holders are there as well. Separate air vents are there for the back passenger sitting here, and we also have the shelves available with the cup holders. Speakers are installed in every door of the car, and electric windows are also there. Now opening the tailgate, there's a large space inside the boot to keep our items, and we also have a parcel shelf available. Opening the other side of the rear door, speaker is installed here, electric window, back pocket available for the front seats. Floor mats are there for the every seat. The whole interior is in black color. We have the chrome inserts on the door panels and on the dashboard as well, and the seats are in black leather polishing. Now opening the passenger side door, we have speaker installed here, the electric window, height adjustment controller for the passenger seat is there, separate air vent for the passenger side. So this was the whole review for the car. I hope you like it. If you want to buy this car, this is available at the Car Traders, which is located at the Crowell in Rumford. Don't forget to visit our website, which is www.thecartraders.co.uk. I want to mention that any car you buy from us, you got a 3 months mechanical warranty. So don't miss the chance. Must visit us and buy the car of your dream. Thank you.